All right, guys. Just wanted to show you a quick way on how to take DVDs and videos online, competition footage, things like that, and be able to put it into different format for you to be able to use it at training. Some people like to use this. Some people just like to use the video. It's certainly up to you and the style that you like to kind of ingest information, I guess, if you would. And I will say this, that this method involves you copying copyrighted material, so this is kind of going to be at your own risk. Um, I use Evernote, and so a lot of times if I'm watching, a video online and I say, okay, this is kind of a cool move. Actually, I should here. Let me do this for you. Just want to do. There you go. I'm like, hey, this is a cool move. I want to remember it. I want to use it later. Sometimes I don't want to watch the entire video when I'm sitting there in practice. And so what I'll do is I use a program called Evernote, and then I'll kind of write down, okay, this is an armbar from the opponent standing, using the opponent stands, and then going through like basically the breakdown of it. And then what I do is I'll play the video, and if you're using a PC, usually doing a print screen. If you're using a Mac, I actually don't know what that is, but I'm sure they have a similar thing. And then transferring it into just an easy program. Say you want to use, you can use Paint if you want. I have Photoshop, but you can use Paint. It's real easy. Then save and put that picture, save that picture in there. Once you've done that, save it for 3 or 4 of the images, and then come up here. Like I said, I use Evernote. I actually use Evernote for a lot of things. You can see actually notebook-wise, I have notebooks on all my students, which there's a lot of them. But if I'm doing this, every once in a while I'll do this if I want to look at a particular, thing. I was going to do a mock-up of this one, but just delete that one. But this one was, in particular from Jits TV, and say I just wanted to look at it. I used this more for just an example, but being able to go through here and then just look at it real quick, both on my phone and on my computer, is kind of a nice little thing. The way that you're going to do that real quick is, you can just attach the files, and it's just images. So just technique 1, 2, 3, 4, kind of like that. And then you can put them all on there, and it just gives you a quick overview of the finer points of the move. If you just want to watch the entire video, you can watch the entire video again. Sometimes I like to go to the bottom here and then put, take this and then put a hyperlink, or just say watch video right here. So this has a nice little breakdown of it, and then if I want to watch the video, I can watch the video. Now, one of the other cool parts is that I can tag. So by that I mean I can say this is both an armbar, guard submission, maybe new move for December. Any of these tags, and then later I can actually use those tags and then bring up. So if I want to bring up all the arm bars or guard submissions, things like that, I can just easily on my phone. So just above all, for me, it kind of puts everything in a really nice, concise kind of way. So like I said, that's one way that I use. You certainly don't have to. Like I said, for me, it's always easier just to be able to look at 3 or 4 images rather than watch the entire video. Sometimes for, reasons I'm not sure of, it breaks it down a little bit easier in my mind. I always like looking at books compared to videos as well, the techniques. But either way, if that's at all helpful, by all means, let me know. But I would highly suggest, even if you don't use this method, start logging and using a Evernote as a training tool. It's a pretty awesome little program. You can have it both on your computer and on your phone. And like I said, the tag function is really cool for me, being able to, basically kind of say, okay, I want something from guard, I want something from mount, whatever. So, thanks.